Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday. Today is June the 3rd. We are out here in the Smyrna, Georgia area. Shout out to the Courtlands of Buckhead. I've been working for them for almost 2 years. They was actually referred to me by a builder who I helped save some floors for in Alpharetta. That builder was actually referred to me by Shaw, who actually, Shaw is the company that sell floors, all right, and make the floors. And he referred me to the manager of the Courtlands of Buckhead. Again, been working for them for 2 years, helping them save their engineered floor so they don't have to replace it. And the Courtlands of Buckhead referred me to the Courtlands of Cobb, which we're here now. And I came out here last week, did a quote, and they have some engineered floors. They just want to keep them protected, keep them maintained. The Courtland of Buckhead spoke highly of me. And what we're going to be doing today, guys, is a screen and recoat on UV Cure. We have 2 projects today. Had some good leads come in this morning. People sending me pictures. Actually have another builder. We actually got a job tomorrow we're doing for a builder that was recommended to me by another builder. And then another builder sent me some pictures this morning of an outdoor patio they want me to clean and seal. And I'm going to go look at that tomorrow while we're in Atlanta. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys. So we are in the Courtland of Cobb. And again, shout out to the Courtlands of Buckhead for referring me to them, because they're all in the the same company. So these are the floors that we're doing. The floors are, honestly, guys, are not too bad, but you can just see some little wear here and there, especially up in here. They get like a lot of high traffic areas here. And then they just told us they didn't want to move the desk, so we're just gonna go around and trim around the desk. Got a little board right here. We're gonna do a little color correction too right there where it's kind of wearing here, and then right there. See that T? All right, guys, and yeah, and then after this we got another job to do back in Jefferson, and then also a consultation in Flowery Branch. I told her I'd come out today and look at it because she has some floors that want to see if they can be screened and recoated so she don't have to sand them. All right, guys, we're about to get started. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Truman in Cobb County. UV Cure. One day, let's go. Courtland of Buckhead sent us down the road. Now we at Courtland of Cobb, putting shine on the floor. One day Rico got them saying, whoa. UV Cure, move furniture, good to go. Courtland of Buckhead sent us down the road. Now we at Courtland of Cobb, putting shine on the floor. Yeah. One day Rico got them saying, whoa. Truman got the building looking better than before. Yeah. Engineer flows looking tired and worn. Truman pull up early in the morning. Screen it down, smooth, dust stay low. Premium finish, make the whole place glow. My office area bright, front lobby clean. Property managers love what they see. No replacement needed, save that dough. One day system got the whole place flowing. Buff it, screen it, coat it, cure it. Buff it, screen it, coat it. Courtland of Buckhead sent us down the road. Hey. Now we at Courtland of Cobb, putting shine on the floor. Yeah. One day Rico got them saying, whoa. UV Cure, move furniture, good to go. Atlanta traffic, Cobb County view. Another happy client, another flow renewed from Buckhead.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Job well done. Thank you again to the Courtlands of Buckhead for referring us to the Courtlands of Cobb. So we're about to head to Jefferson, and we have another job to do, screen and recoat. They'll also still have another consultation while we're in that area. All right, guys, got some new leads came in. I also got another potential out of state job in the Carolinas. Guys, it's cool, like being in Georgia, I can get to a lot of places in other states. Like Chattanooga is only like a 2-hour drive. Greenville, which the guy who called me today, certain parts of Alabama, 2-3 hours. So we actually going to Alabama. Oh, I locked that door. We're going to Alabama next week. Also got a job in Augusta next week for a realtor that found me for engineered floor. They need some major color correction and recoat so they can get the house on the market for the homeowner. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.